Hi everyone, this is Team MCP Maverick presenting Bob MCP Forge. Now, we all know that AI agents are the future, but here's the reality. Enterprise adoption is currently hitting a wall. Why? Well, building MCP servers is still a developer-only task, and let's be honest, security teams just don't trust AI-generated code that hasn't been audited. Plus, most AI code lacks the Docker files and documentation needed for actual long-term support. That's exactly where we come in. Think of Bob MCP Forge as a secure factory line. You describe what you need in plain English. IBM Bob builds the scaffold, and our sovereign compliance agent acts as the digital security officer to make sure it's production ready. It's about moving from intent to deploy without cutting corners on safety. Let's see how this actually works. Say I'm a product manager and I need a tool to look up customer records. I just type that in, hit Forge, and see how IBM Bob is spinning up the full server architecture behind the scenes. Let's see. Here's the breakthrough. When our agent flags a security violation, you don't file a ticket. You just hit apply fix, and IBM Bob autonomously refactors the risky code into a secure pattern before it ever leaves the Forge. Right, let's see how this actually works. Let's say I'm a product manager and I need a quick tool for our agent. So I'm gonna choose this as a prompt. We have our compliance profiles, all of these. I'm gonna choose the general and hit the generate server button. I hit the Forge and you can see how IBM Bob instantly scaffolding the MCP server. Alright, now we hit the view compliance report, and as you can see we have the compliance report, passed, warnings, failed, the overall score, but our sovereign agent instantly flags our hard-coded API key a major security leak. But with one click on apply fix, Bob autonomously refactors the logic to be secure by default. And we hit the apply fix button and it's resolved the issue. Now we proceed to deploy and start deploying to cloud. Now we deploy to cloud and it start building the containerized image, pushing to registry. Now we have the live URL link and it's successfully deployed. We have the status, deploy time, and the region. With the audit clear, we are live on IBM Cloud Code Engine. We have turned a risky manual process into a trusted automated deployment in under a minute. That's Bob MCP Forge, bridging the gap between a great idea and a secure reality. Check out our repo to see the full audit trail. Thanks for watching.